there, I'm Game Master 2010, and today, well, we're going to be playing Terraria. Now, I'll just do my stuff, and yeah. So here we are in my world. And today we're going to be looking at heroes' clothes and three things, actually. Heroes' clothes, a loom, and, well, a sawmill. This is the sawmill, that's the loom, and this is heroes' clothes. Now you're like, wait, how do you make it? They changed the purple dye to something else. Well, don't worry. They just changed it to purple thread, which is way more reasonable. But, yeah. So in order to craft in order to craft the sawmill, you're going to need 1 chain, 2 iron bars, and 10 wood. And you're going to need the chainsaw, and a crafting table, obviously. And you're going to need the sawmill, I'll just be calling it a chainsaw, to make the loom, which you need the chainsaw and 12 wood for, and mannequins and other stuff. Yeah, then you're going to need to gather cobwebs. So, the cobwebs, you craft them into silk with the loom. Then, you need to get some mushroom grass seeds, which are found in the glowing mushroom biome. And I'll show you what they look like as a house, because I was building one, actually. You'll probably recognize it when I show you it. Yeah, these blue glowing mushrooms, those. Chop down a lot of them and you'll get some mushroom grass seeds. Now, don't plant them because, well, yeah, that would be bad. But that's what you need to make heroes' clothes in the new update. And I hope you all had a great time. And, well, yeah, here we go. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you will need lots and lots of bottles. And heroes' clothes. And you'll need 60 silk in total, which I don't have, and 9 purple thread in total for the whole set. And thank you all for watching. See you next time.